I'm making every state's most popular dessert, and next up is the state of Mississippi, where their favorite dessert is the Mississippi mud pie. Now, as I was making this, I was really hoping that this mud pie tasted really good because this was quite a challenge for me to pull off, and not to mention the name mud pie isn't very appetizing. The origins of the Mississippi mud pie are quite literally as clear as mud. A lot of people seem to believe that the mud pie is an adaptation from the World War II era Mississippi mud cake, which was literally just warm chocolate, melted marshmallows, nuts, and butter, all kind of together. Another vastly different origin story is that a waitress from Mississippi named Jenny Meyer noticed melting frozen chocolate pie on one of her shifts in 1927 and had linked it to the muddy Mississippi banks. Supposedly, the name stuck. No matter the origin story, this mud pie was amazing and would make a great dessert for pretty much anyone who's got a sweet tooth. What I did was use a 9-inch springform pan so that everything would bake nicely together, and when it came time to put the cold toppings on, everything would stay together. If you're going to try this recipe, I'd highly recommend doing the same and use a springform pan. We are almost a third of the way done with this challenge, so I am wondering what states you think I should do next and what dessert corresponds with this state. Follow along for the rest of the challenge.